is a swan. It has a very long neck. Where are the swans? Go and look for them. I found them! Swans live amongst the reed bed by the lake. The cygnets are hatched. The cygnets are learning to swim under the care of their parents. Oh, the naughty cygnets are running about. Get them back. Don't run about! Oh no! An eagle is coming! Beat the eagle off! The cygnets' parents are protecting them! Good job! The eagle is driven away! Tap on the cygnet to get rid of the unwanted down. It feels so much better now, but there are still some other things. The cygnet is much cleaner now. Swans are flying south for the winter. They fly sometimes in V shape and sometimes in one straight line. Cygnets are starving after the long flight. They're full and are strong enough to fly on. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Swan. Let's play again next time. This is a pigeon. It's always cooing. Where are the pigeons? Go and look for them. I found them! Pigeons live in flocks. The pigeon is going to deliver the letter. Postmark the letter. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. Put the letter in the mailbox of the same color. Good job! Postman pigeons have done a good job delivering letters. Let's feed them. And can carry on delivering letters. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Pigeon. Let's play again next time. This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. I found them. Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow! Wow! Woo!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty.
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Orange. Orange. Orange.
Wow!
Wow, amazing. I want this. Ball. 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 I want this. Mango. 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 Wow, amazing. I want this. Hat. Hat. Hat.
Hi!
I want this. Cherry. Cherry. Wow! Amazing! Daddy Parrot has brought some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot. Let's play again next time.